My partner gives me an intent, he projects, I've got tension. Now, normally we feel that we're either going to put a kasha in to dissolve the matrices, or we're going to do what we just did, go under and reverse the toroidal field to open it, or magnetic demagnetizing. So it's a very direct approach into the tension. With this, I feel the tension and then I soften from behind and move in. Now the softening from behind is first transformation, and I'm literally putting my mind there behind where the tension's connected and softening the root of it from behind the source. So he's pushing in, I feel the tension, I'm literally softening his back and going through the astral and then dissolving not the front leading edge, but the back edge. So when a person projects a force, they initiate with the back and the force comes out. I want to go underneath, around, behind, and go to the shadow of the force and soften from there. Now, whether you're using akasha, thank you, magnetic energy, the toroidal field method to break structure, the opening the mental body to break structure, demagnetizing methods, electric wedges, whatever method you're using to break structure, we just want to do it from behind. We're going to go through the shadow.